Hello everyone, what's up? I hope you're doing absolutely amazing. My name is Shefali and welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to my channel then please consider subscribing because it will mean a lot to me. And in today's video I'm gonna be creating a makeup look, and this is the look that you can never go wrong with, and this is the look that you can carry with every outfit. So yeah, and also I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how you can style your sari in 3 different ways. So yeah, if that interests you then please keep on watching. So firstly, I am going to apply Nivea Aloe Hydration Moisturizer to prep my skin. You can use whichever moisturizer that suits your skin type. Next, I am using Patanjali Aloe Vera Gel to further hydrate my skin. Moving on to the primer, I am using green primer. Primer is very essential because it blurs out your skin and also your makeup lasts longer. Next, I am applying Swiss Beauty Concealer in the shade Scent Sable on my eyes because we are applying eyeshadows first. Concealer is very important as it pops out the eyeshadow colors, and blend the concealer with brush or with your fingers. After that, I am setting the concealer with a compact powder. I'll mention all the product links in the description box below, so do check that out. Then sticking the cello tape for the appropriate shape of our eyeshadows. Next, I am using Sivana eyeshadow palette. From that, I am using peachy kind of a shade as a transition shade and blend it very properly. After that, I am taking this brown bronzer and applying below my crease line. You can use bronzer if you don't have light brown shade. Then I am applying dark brown shade in the outer corner of my eyes. Dust the excess powder and blend it very properly. Then again taking the peachy shade and applying above my crease line for proper blending because we don't want any harsh lines. Then I am using this shimmery golden shade and applying on the middle and inner corner of my eyes and blend the shade with a brush or with your fingers. After that, taking this Color Essence Kajal, applying as an eyeliner and then taking the flat brush and smudging that off. Next, I am applying Maybelline Mascara, which is really very important because it gives volume to your lashes. After that, I am applying color corrector to hide my acne marks and dabbing that with the help of my fingers. You can see how I am doing. Then setting the color corrector with a compact powder, otherwise it will merge with the foundation. Moving on to the foundation, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude, and then I am taking the damn beauty blender to blend all the foundation. You should dab the beauty blender in a really very gentle way. Blending is really very important, otherwise it may look cakey, which will not look good. After that, I am applying concealer on my eyelids, bridge of my nose for even color. Setting all the foundation and concealer with the help of compact powder. Then I am filling my eyebrows. Filling your brows is really very important because your face looks very youthful and it gives definition to your face. Then I am setting all my base with a setting spray. Moving on to the contouring, I am using sugar bronzer in the shade Taupe Topper and applying below my cheekbones. और आपको ये हेयरलाइन तक लेके जाना है. एंड ऑल्सो अप्लाई ऑन द टेम्पल ऑफ योर हेड एंड ऑन योर जॉ लाइन. एंड आपके नोज़ पे भी आप लगा सकते हो इफ़ यू वांट. And blend that with beauty blender or any brush. Then I am using Miss Claire brusher, applying it with the beauty blender on my cheeks and also on my nose. Then I am applying brown shade below my waterline, and then I am applying Maybelline mascara. Moving on to the highlighter, which is my absolute favorite part. I am using Sivana Colors Multi Shimmer Brick Highlighter. Highlighter I am applying on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, inner corners of my eyes and also on your brow bone. Then lastly, I am applying lipstick, which is the My Glam lipstick in the shade Micro Cheating. So yeah, this is my final look. I hope you guys like it. Now for styling part, first we are styling it as a lehenga or skirt. Tuck the sari and try to create pleats. You can see how I am doing in the video. Practice is very important. You have to do the pleats all over until the sari ends. आपको बैक से पूरा प्लेट्स करके लेना है. And yeah, this is how it looks. I have paired up with this golden blouse. I am in love with this outfit. नाउ फॉर द सेकेंड स्टाइल, आपको पल्लू आपके डिज़ायर्ड लेंथ तक लेना है. एंड देन जैसे वीडियो में बताया है आपको टक करना है फ्रंट तक एंड फ्रंट में प्लिट्स करना है. नॉर्मली हम साड़ी में जैसे करते हैं वैसे ही टक करना है. एंड देन आपको साड़ी को एडजस्ट करके लेना है. एंड स्टाइलिंग दिस विद अ बेल्ट, इट लुक्स रियली वेरी गुड एंड ट्रेंडी, जस्ट लाइक इंडो वेस्टर्न लुक. For the third style, take 1 or 1.5 meter length, just I am showing in this video, and make a knot in front. Now take the remaining fabric, आपके लेग्स में से निकालना है एंड उसके सारी को आपको प्लिट्स करके टक इन करना है फ्रंट में, एंड जो पीछे बचा हुआ है उसे भी टक कर देना है। अभी दूसरे लेग का भी सेम करना है, रिमेनिंग सारी लेग में से निकालना है एंड आपके डिज़ायर्ड लेंथ के हिसाब से आपको पल्लू निकालना है एंड बचा हुआ फैब्रिक को प्लिट्स करके टक इन कर देना है। एंड लास्ट साड़ी को ठीक से एडजस्ट कर देना है। वन टिप इज़ दैट यू शुड यूज़ वेरी सॉफ्ट साड़ी। ये मेरी साड़ी सॉफ्ट नहीं है, थोड़ी कड़क है। यू शुड यूज़ सॉफ्ट साड़ी फॉर बेस्ट इफेक्ट एंड फॉर बेस्ट रिजल्ट। एंड या दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स। So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. If you guys like, then please subscribe to my channel, press that bell icon so you will be notified every time I upload a video. Comment down below if you like the makeup look, and also if you like the sari which I styled in 3 different ways, which will be very useful because Navratri is around the corner, and also Durga Puja. And also if you guys like, then please hit that like button. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and also you can follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle, and yeah, I'll meet you in my next video. Until we meet, stay healthy and stay positive. Bye.